Today's video is sponsored by Nadula Hair, and from the intro you can see that this hair is absolutely stunning. She is a vibe, honey. This is their 7x5 lace 3D body wig upgraded with drawstring. This hair has curtain bangs and fluffy pre-loose body curls. So guys, for this wig, it has 3D body curls that are already done for you. All you have to do is comb them out either with your fingers or a wide tooth comb. It has a fluffy bang in the front. It has a curtain bang, sorry, in the front. And the layers of this hair, guys, is already cut, curled, and designed and then put in the bag. It comes with an upgraded drawstring. This fits all head size, which I love, whether your head is big or small. And it does come with a roller in the front for your bangs. I love the color, guys, that comes in this. The highlights just makes the hair even more interesting, and I feel like it suits my skin tone so well. This is the back of the hair. My kitchen area needs cleaning up, but we're gonna ignore that. The drawstring allows the wig to fit securely without any glue. It's completely glueless, which we love. So once you pull that drawstring and tuck it under, it is on your head. It's not gonna move anywhere. It's not gonna fall off. It's very, very secure, which I absolutely love. I loved even more that I didn't have to put any glue or anything. It's on my head, and once I combed it out, it just blended so well. I finger combed the hair, and you know, it was in the packaging, so you do have to do a bit of combing out. You can use a wide tooth comb or your fingers. I decided to finger comb it. And then guys, the only thing I didn't have for this hair was a curling iron, just to kind of bend my curls back into shape. But you know me, we're gonna finesse. I'm gonna show you how beautiful it turned out. I ended up using a little curling wand that I had, and I finessed it, but it looks really good, guys. Once you get your wig, you know you're gonna have to shake it out and fix your curls a bit because it was in the packaging. I really love how this hair looks. It's giving me such like a Beyonce vibe. Like, I don't know how else to put it. I love the curls. I love the pre-cut. And if I had a curling iron, girl, you couldn't tell me nothing. But I made the curling wand work, and I just think it's super pretty. This hair is pre-everything. It's pre-plucked, it's pre-bleached, and it's just good to go. You don't have to do nothing besides putting it on your head. And these are the bangs. I think they look really good, nice and airy bangs. They look super good. I'm just fixing everything around because of course you have to, you know, like jizz it up, frame it to your face. And yeah, these are the curtain bangs. And I'm just using my comb to kind of align my curls a little bit, but it looks so good, y'all. It looks really good. I love the fit of it. I love the curls. I love the vibes. And this is so pretty. I think I will be wearing this wig again. I'm honestly thinking of using this for like a birthday photo shoot that I have in mind because I like the vibe of it, and I'm gonna keep the updo style, which is my favorite. But let me know down below which of the styles you liked best. Like an updo fits every face shape. Like, it's so pretty. An updo with bangs is just super pretty. And guys, I didn't have to use any foundation on the hairline. It melted pretty well without anything. And yeah, look at how pretty this looks. Like, it looks so pretty. I just needed to do a little trimming on the sides, but it's so pretty. I love how it looks. Like, it was giving me a vibe. And then I'm just doing a restyling. I decided to do a cute little half up, half down. And then we're gonna do an updo. But I have nothing bad to say about this hair. I love the look of it. I love the curls. I love everything about it. Check it down below, guys, for the links to this hair. Everything will be listed. Any coupon code that I have, any discounts will be listed down below. So definitely